In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video for TikTok. Now there is no option to crop it within the app of TikTok. You will need to download a third-party application. For this video, we're going to use CapCut, which is very popular for editing TikTok videos also. You must download the application from the Play Store or the App Store, and then after the app has been downloaded, you can open up the app. Now you'll see a similar interface. All you need to do is tap on New and select your video. Select the video and tap on Add. After the video has been added, now after you land on this interface, all you need to do is once tap on the video like this, and on the bottom you can see a whole different options that you can choose from. You can swipe left and you can tap on an option which says Edit right here. Inside Edit, you'll find Crop. Tap on the crop option. Now either you can manually crop it, or you can also choose the format of the crop like so. But if you want to freely do it, tap on the free option and you'll be able to adjust it manually. After you made the changes, you can tap on the tick mark on the bottom right, and there you go. The crop now has been made to your video. After that is complete, you can tap on the arrow on the top right and export the video to your gallery. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.